Would like to call to order the Lewis County Board of County Commissioners business meeting for Monday, October 19th. We have a quorum.
Is your mic on?
Oh, my mic. You can't hear me. Some people might not mind that. All right. So there is a quorum with all three commissioners present. Commissioner Stamper, would you like to lead us in the flag salute?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Madam Chair, I make a motion to approve the October 12th, 2015 BOCC minutes.
Second.
It's been moved and seconded to approve the minutes of October 12th, 2015. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. Public comment, and no one has signed up. Next on our agenda is the second weekly United Way campaign donation employee drawing. And Kaylee, would you like to come up and draw for us? We know you're not going to draw your own name, so. And the winner is Lori Pulver from the Sheriff's Office. What'd she win? Okay.
What'd she win?
She won a shirt, Live United.
That's a lot like the twin.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now we're going to the employee milestone recognition. So we're going to have all the folks come up when we say your name, and we'll be shaking your hand and acknowledging you. So for the 5-year, would Shad Hale, juvenile, come up?
Sure.
So the following 10-year employees: Becky Butler, Ryan Kelso, Seth Lackey, or is that Lakey? And Jamie McGinty. Please come up.
Congratulations, Miss Buck.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you for your service.
Congratulations.
Okay, this will be. Okay.
We're gonna have to slide over.
Oh. You're not going to stand behind us.
Congratulations.
Oh, sure. Somebody put us together. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. What a- Now we're moving up to 15-year. Suzette Smith from the Auditor's Office, Marcy DeCoker, Public Health and Social Services, Robin Williams, Public Health and Social Services, and Joseph Byers from Public Works.
No, we got a problem. No, we only have one left. Congratulations. And unless your name's Joseph Byers, we see other certificates.
Okay. Why don't we give her that one for the picture, and we'll make
Yeah,
sure.
we use one for the picture.
That's it. There we go. Okay.
I knew you weren't Joseph. In the middle.
In the middle.
Thank you. Now, 30 years. Gary Hurley, Public Works. Kathy Rowe, Sheriff.
One Garrett to another.
One Gary to another.
There you go.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Okay, come on. Okay. Go. Just in time.
Wait a minute, Stacy, the commissioners have, to give it to her.
She really can't have it yet.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Hey, Wes.
Congratulations.
Like to sit together?
No, picture.
I think we can have picture taken
Picture
together.
time.
Together. Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One more. Okay. So 40 years, I said. Diane Dory. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Diane.
Congratulations.
There you go. You get to take a picture.
Ladies.
We'll put two in the middle. Bookings.
Hey, we got purple. Look at this. We got purple.
Bookends, purple. Thank you. Oh, Patty Curtis. You have it right there. Okay. Oh, wait, no, okay. Patty has just arrived, and we missed her. Okay, come on up anyway. We'll get a picture taken. 10 years. Yes, you're here. Hi. Oh, fine.
Congratulations. Are you Joseph?
Congratulations.
Okay, there you go. Thank you. Thank you. We'll get your certificate. So next is Employee of the Quarter. And we had 4 really good nominees. And they were Sue Kennedy from Public Health and Social Services. And her nomination talks about, because of the potential of drought conditions in Lewis County this summer, she began a real good discussion on how the impacts of those drought conditions. And she found a grant through the Department of Health to get some money for us to help us with the aquifer data. She submitted the grant and it was awarded. And Bill Teitzel was involved in a telephone conference when the Washington State Environmental Health Directors on August 7th where the DOH manager said the information was clear and had all the information it needed, advising other counties to submit and talk with Lewis County because it was done so well. So Sue Kennedy, would you like to come up?
And you have to stay up here till we get all four.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Do you want to take a picture? Okay.
Are we going to do all four?
Oh, well, we can do that too. That's okay. We'll do all four then. Jane Sheldon, Public Health and Social Services. On July 29th, the State Department of Health conducted a site visit to evaluate Lewis County Public Health and Social Services management of its vaccines for children. The site reviewer conducted 6 separate domains and awarded a perfect score for each. A perfect score is almost unheard of and was only possible due to the knowledge, dedication, and passion of our immunization coordinator, Jane Sheldon. Jane. Oh, she's not here? Okay. You want to pick up her certificate? Okay, there you go. The next one is Melody Nelson, Public Health and Social Services. Melody began her work as Target Zero Coordinator in Lewis County in 2010. For the past 5 years, the DUI task force has benefited from her expertise and organizational skills. The task force appreciates her attention to detail, hard work, and efforts on behalf of the Target Zero initiatives. Melody Nelson, please come forward. And the last individual we'd like to have come up is Don Carney from Public Works. Now, Don attended an after-hours public meeting due to the impending closure of Ingalls Road, a bridge stabilization project. Residents brought up concerns about the road closure and asked for options to the construction. The public was assured within 48 hours an answer would be given. And what happened, and I was part of this, I went to the first meeting, like 35 citizens were there voicing their concerns. And 48 hours later, due to the work of Don Carney, we had a solution that pleased all in that room that came the next day. So anyway, Don Carney, come on up.
I'm happier about the Looting House Bridge.
Yes. Commissioner Schulte said he's happy about the Luden House Bridge too, which he's had something to do with. Well, this time we have 4 individuals, and when PAC voted, it was a split vote. So we have 2 individuals. So it's Don Carney and Jane Sheldon.
So let's do all the pictures taken first.
Yes. Thank you. Once again, congratulations. Okay.
Melody,
Yes.
you got another picture?
Well, this is for Jane Sheldon.
Oh, okay.
And,
We'll make her come over and do a picture of you.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Now we go to Above and Beyond. And these folks are nominated, and then at the end of the year, we choose Above and Beyond employee. But the 2 people, we have one is Gene Stieber from the Sheriff's Office, And is Gene here today? There, come on up. We're going to... Yes. Congratulations. We want to talk about Gene. In August, Detective Gene Sieber was assigned to follow up on a burglary investigation that occurred in the Centralia area. This was an extensive burglary with $30,000 loss. Dozens of items, several credit cards, and vehicle titles were stolen. With assistance from the victim, Detective Sieber was able to track several of the credit card purchases to stores in Pierce and King counties. He obtained video footage of the suspect making purchases and was able to distribute still images to enforcement agencies throughout western Washington. In a couple weeks, Detective Sieber identified one of the suspects. Interviews led to the confession and identity of the second suspect. With the assistance of other enforcement agencies, Detective Sieber was able to serve several search warrants in those jurisdictions, resulting in the recovery of over $40,000 in stolen property throughout the I-5 corridor. Thank you, Gene. The next person to come up for Above and Beyond is Carolyn Price of Public Health and Social Services. Here comes Carolyn. The first week in May marked the culmination of vision and efforts of a group of individuals committing to providing quality public safety services in Lewis County. You look surprised. Let's shake your hand and I'll talk more about you. Okay. On May 8th, 2015, the first group of public safety officials completed training in Lewis County. 22 individuals obtained Washington State Criminal Justice Crisis Intervention Training certification. Carolyn Price was instrumental in devising a way to fund several speakers and purchase related books and supplies for the training. She worked tirelessly to match curriculum requirements and secure professionals and qualified speakers. Thank you, Carolyn. This is a favorite part of our job, was recognizing our outstanding employees. Good job, everyone.
Madam Chair, I move to approve the consent agenda. 5 items, resolution number 15289 through 15-293.
I second. Where are they going? Fun's just beginning.
Just getting to the
We're just getting started.
Jailbreak.
Going back to work. Okay. Thank you.
We're left with 3.
Good morning, Commissioner. Suzette Smith, Auditor's Office, Financial Services Division, here today to present Agenda Item Number 1. It is Resolution Number 15-289. This is the weekly approval of warrants for payments of claims against the various county departments. For the previous week, we had 270 regular warrants. Those were numbers 733707 through 733976 for a total dollar amount of $566,681.46.
Okay. Questions? Okay, thank you. All right. The next is the reappointment of members to the Chehalis River Basin Flood Control Zone District. And we are reappointing Julie Baumelli-Powell, Steve Carice, and Dave Muller to a term that will expire in March 2017, and reappointing Jason Humphrey and Daniel Morgan to fill their terms to March 2019. Okay.
Good morning, Danette York, Director of Public Health and Social Services, and I will be speaking to the last three items. So the first one is to reappoint and appoint members to the Veterans Advisory Board. This resolution will reappoint Michael Hurley, Graham Spahn, Randy Tobler, and William Anholt. They will all fill their positions through June 30th of 2017. This will also appoint Jeff Warren. He will be filling an alternate position through June 30th of 2017, and we will be appointing Donald Keeler to fill a regular position through June 30th of 2016.
Okay.
And the next item is to approve a sales agreement between Patagonia Health and Lewis County Public Health and Social Services. Patagonia Health has developed an electronic health record and billing system. I'm not sure if they're still called software because it's actually a web-based program, but this brings our department into compliance with the Affordable Care Act and the requirement of having an electronic health record. It should also help us with our billing of private insurance as well as Medicare and Medicaid. This will be an agreement for 5 years. We did have an upfront cost of about $6,050, and then the maintenance is about $450 a month. We got a few discounts in there, so it made it a little bit lower. And this program will replace our current system, which is called KIPS. It stands for Kansas Integrated Public Health System, which basically did some of the same stuff, but it was antiquated, and we have been working in it for several years, and we needed to upgrade. So, the maintenance cost on an annual basis is almost the same amount, so it's not going to cost us much more.
Okay.
Any questions on that one? And the last one is to approve the driver and plate search, use, and disclosure contract between Washington State Department of Licensing and Lewis County. So our code compliance officers uses this program to look in their database for Hulk vehicles. And so this is a necessary agreement, and it lasts for 5 years, although there is no cost for that use.
Okay.
Thank you.
Questions, comments? It's been moved and seconded to approve the consent agenda items 1 through 5, resolution number 15-289 through 293. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Motion carried.
Madam Chair, with no further business, I move we adjourn.
Second?
It's been moved and seconded to adjourn. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? We are adjourned. Thank you for coming.